so today I'm taking you guys through my monsoon hair care routine. I've got a new routine and I'm kind of loving it. So yeah, obviously the monsoon in Mumbai is a whole different story, and the frizz levels are mad, and there's like, you have to do your hair or it's like crazy hair, right? And I don't mind that, but most days I like to do this, and then I kind of follow it for 2 days and it lasts me for 2-3 days and my hair looks nice and presentable, which is when you see the videos where my hair looks nice and presentable, it's this. Okay, so yes, I've just washed and conditioned my hair, but I will get to that in a bit because that is not the first step. The first step is this. So this is the Aveda Scalp Solutions, which is an exfoliating scalp treatment, which is great if you have a flaky scalp like me. I've been doing this maybe twice a week, once or twice a week, and it's fantastic. So before I actually wash my hair, what I do is you just take this. It has this really nice nozzle and you go straight to your scalp. You know, just make random sections and just keep applying it all over, depending on how, you know, terrible your flaky scalp is. But even if you don't have a very flaky scalp, I feel like this weather tends to give people a flaky scalp. So you can even try this maybe once a week. It works really well. And it has like a nice mentholy, tingly feeling when you apply it, which is really, really like nice. Like you feel like really fresh and nice. So after applying it, I just with my fingers massage it in really nicely for 4 or 5 minutes. And then after that, I wash my hair. So again, to wash and condition, I use the same range. I'm almost done with this. This was all sent to me in a PR package. This is not sponsored, but I really, really love it together. And yeah, this is almost over. I'm going to order more of this today in the sales, but it is really, really good. So wash, condition, and here we are. Okay, so before I start drying my hair, I use this. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. I've been using this for a while. Just take 2 pumps really lightly. Then we just massage it in. So I like to do like, just start with the ends and the bit, because this portion below your ears is the most frizzy. So if you have longer hair, also focus more on the bottom. This will make it a little chapta. So avoid going a lot onto the top, more inside and more on the bottom. Up next, I use this guy to dry my hair. So this is the DYSON that I've been using for a while, as you guys know. So I start with this part, the normal dryer part, to just dry the roots, and that's what I do first. So just like this. I just roughly go section by section to do just the roots. So yeah, usually I just do the roots like this, roughly section by section. There really isn't any method to my madness. And then guys, I basically turn the nozzle to this guy. If I'm in a rush, I don't use the brush tool and all of that. I just literally use this and go over this to smoothen it and like quickly dry it. And it works really, really well even in the monsoon. So this is actually great when you're, you know, you can see the way it sticks to your face as you're, you know, putting it this way. And it really reduces like all that extra frizz you have on the top or static. And it works really well for the monsoon. So you can see this portion, like I've just lightly done it from the top, but it is actually like staying really, really well, right? So I usually do my whole hair like this if I'm in a rush, just and it works really well. Or the other option is to use the brush tool as well, which I'm going to show you too. Okay, so we're just going to quickly change this nozzle to, and not break it, but to the brush one, which is the other one that I use. Now this is when I have like proper time and I want to like properly blow dry my hair. Then we do this. So of course, this is when you have more time and you want like a sleeker look. You can also section it with like clips and stuff if you have longer hair. I really don't need to because my hair is shorter and it just feels much, much smoother. Obviously, the static tool is great for the top sections, but if you also want to dry the bottom sections and kind of like make it, you know, smoother, sleeker, more blow dried, this is what you need. So basically, this is pretty much with this guy and the brush tool only. As you can see, it's a pretty sleek blow dry with nothing nothing else. Like I haven't used any styling products or whatever, just the serum. And what I like to do is go through this top section again with just this tool to minimize like, you know, any like frizziness here, and it works really well. Let me show you. So we take it like this again, and basically you want the hair to kind of like stick. So this really reduces the flyaways on the top, which kind of tend to stand up in the monsoon. And yeah, I really love how this looks and feels. This is my go-to if I'm going to an event, or you know, if I want my hair to look a little sleeker, this is kind of what I do. So this is the K9 serum I've been using. I like to finish off my hair with this. So just again, take a couple of pumps in the hand. Both these are just clear serums, so nothing, you know, too heavy. Again, work it in the hands and then start from the bottom, go inside, and then go to the top. Now, there is something else that I do if I still want a sleeker look. I just run my iron over this part as well, like just the, you know, top once it's done, to give it a more finished, sleeker, smoother look. But usually that's not what I do. That's like if I have to go to like a proper event and I want it to last much longer with the humidity and everything. So I really don't need it right now, but I'm just going to show you that extra step anyway. So if I was going to an event or something, I would just maybe run my iron through the top sections and the front, just to ensure that with the rain and humidity, it's going to kind of stay, you know, sleeker and stay in place. And this is also really nice if you want to turn the ends in to make them stay more post your blow dry. It works really well. And this, my friends, is my beautiful hair in the monsoon. So yeah, I started with, as I said, really frizzy big hair. So if I do nothing to my hair, that is what it kind of looks like. If I do blow dry it, you saw it up to the blow dried, you know, level. And then if I want further sleekness, just a 2-minute iron over that, and I'm good to go. So don't really focus on the tools. Yes, the Dyson is great. My hair iron is like ancient from I don't know how many years ago. But like the products really make the difference. So I'm really loving the Aveda range for my scalp right now. And I really like the 2 serums that I'm using. I've been using them for a while and they really work for my hair, which is quite thick, frizzy and big. And you can see it now. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your monsoon hair care routine, your favorite products currently for your hair. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.